Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Let's make Gajrela today, one of the iconic Punjabi sweet dish. To begin with, grate 3 kgs of carrot. Dry cook it until tender or you see the moisture has reduced. While we are waiting for this to be cooked well, although we need to stir occasionally to prevent any burn, in a separate pan, gently warm 600 ml of milk and then add 300 grams of milk powder. So we need to patiently keep stirring for 25 minutes at least until it thickens, ensuring a velvety texture. You can use beater as I have shown in the video to prevent any clots. Keep stirring this milk and milk powder because if you stop stirring, you will smell burning smell very soon. Once you achieve the desired thickness, add carrots and cardamom powder, coconut sugar towards the end. Coconut sugar, I roughly added 300 grams. I weighed 350 but I've saved some because I was feeling it's sweet enough. Your coconut sugar will enhance flavor without the guilt. While mixing everything well together, let it simmer gently for 5 minutes, allowing aroma to meld. Now dry roast some almonds and pistachios for that touch of elegance. Try this treat knowing that each bite is a celebration of health, thanks to that antioxidant-rich carrots. Enjoy this wholesome goodness of Gajrela, a symphony of flavor and wellness in every spoonful. You can refrigerate it for at least 2 weeks. Enjoy this treat guilt-free. This treat is your less processed and made with unrefined sugar. Try this once, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Here's to your health and happiness. See you guys next time.